however big you are in a given category, there is always an opportunity for the newcomer, because one can't just take grab all the keyword opportunity which is there in a given vertical, right? And why I'm saying with so much of confidence that because because it's well known that for Google also, it's Google's responsibility to create variety and diversity as far as the result set in the page is concerned, right? So what I'm trying to say, let's say you are super good, you are 100 times better than the second player, right? That doesn't mean that if people search for a particular thing, all the 10 results in Google result page will be yours, right? So that's one thing. So what I'm trying to say is that you need to create diversification that way, number one. Number two is when you are category leader, you are more focused on the head keywords, which is very apt. But then sometimes what happens that 40% of the opportunity is in head keyword, and 60% is of opportunity is actually in the long tail keyword, right? So when I entered into real estate, people said that property in Gurgaon, property in Mumbai, oh, we are ranking, we are very good. But that's like the tip of the iceberg. The actual traffic is lying in 3 BHK property for rent in Sona Road, 3 BHK property for rent in property for purchase in MG Road, right? So what I'm trying to say, one big thing which people generally miss when they reach at the top, and I'm not of course pointing about your case, maybe you are taking care of it, but what I'm trying to say, mostly they stay focused only on the head keyword, and they lose sight of an awesome opportunity which lies in the mid to small keyword set, right? And how do you attack that? Once you have a high domain authority, attacking that is very, very simple, right? And for that, a proper content strategy, a proper linking strategy will definitely help, right? So I must caution here that sometimes people think is long-term strategy is nothing but launching a blog on the platform and writing every crap which is possible on the blog, and target all the keywords possible in a given topic, right? That's you have to understand, believe. Once you start truly believing that Google is actually a smart, you will stop doing all these activities, right? So what I'm trying to say, of course, if everybody is doing a similar strategy, and if you do a similar strategy and do a better content writing, maybe you will rank, because ultimately it's all about being better than other. But I think that's not the right way of approaching the problem. The right way of approaching the problem is that you write the content in an effective way, spread the content at the relevant places in the website, rather than creating a isolated sort of bucket where you are dumping all the long tail keyword content and under the title of blog or whatever you say it, right?